The Maverick is the first to raise hands in the 2020 class this evening. As the investigations and the queries continue into the Jamaica under-22s getting embarrassed 9-0 by Japan, we understand that the preparations were less than perfect. The travel arrangements were atrocious. The training and playing conditions were miserable. But there is something fundamental that people are missing with this particular group of players. It's basically the same highly touted group that got knocked out at the Olympic qualifiers at the first round by some little Caribbean teams. And we seem to think that this collection of talented offensive players is a good team. Think again. Good functional teams need a proper balance between offense and defense. And this is not a balanced group. And if we keep sending them into competitions and games underprepared and without the right tactical balance to compete against this age group, which are senior pros in other parts of the world, we are courting the kind of disaster that happened in Japan. And we run the clear and present danger of destroying the confidence of this bunch of talented Jamaican players. We need to think a little bit deeper on these things. But having said all of that, we should not be getting 9-0 from Japan. Never! We should not be getting 9-0 from Japan or anybody else. No, 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 no. No circumstances, 9-0.